ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
Hare Krishna. Krishna, so today our session, the title is called as Eagle Eye. Now, and it's as a movie, it also has something called as Being Watched, right? A subtitle. Now, let's try to understand. So, what do we mean by eagle eye? Basically, so we know eagles, right? Garud. उनका जो नेत्र है, their eyesight so keen that from far away it can watch everything what's happening on the ground, and it just comes, pounces its prey, and leaves, right? So it just flies somewhere around a kilometer high, and it sees from a kilometer, it sees a snake going on. It just comes fast, gone. Now, what's the eagle eye in this modern world? Any guesses? Any guess? What's the eagle eye in the modern world? Yep.
CCTV cameras.
Yeah, CCTV cameras. Drones. So the entire technology, including the phones in your hand currently. Including the phones in your hand currently. Even the smart TVs. So you know about smart TVs, right? So now we can see most of the smart TVs in everyone's home. So there are hackers. Where is our hacker? He's not here. Oh. So there is even a hacking technology through which they can hack the TV at your home. And if you just have a look at your smart TVs, it has a camera. Have you ever observed it? Smart TVs के लिए भी कैमरा रहता है. कभी देखा? So through which you also do Skype calls and everything. So in smart TVs there is also a hidden camera through which they can see whatever you are doing at your home. High level technology, yeah? So for example, let's say it's good enough till the point of time the TV is in the hall, they can see whatever you are doing in the hall. But if it's in bedroom, तो हरे कृष्णा हो जाता है ना? So let me just give you one real incident. So there was a couple who had committed suicide because a person hacked the TV in their bedroom, and it happened. The technology. Now let's come back to eagle eye. So how are we getting watched? So if you are having a look at your phones, so there is something you see that, for example, when you are chatting or when you are searching for something. Let's say you have searched for a nice Parker pen. So immediately you always get the notifications of Parker pen from almost all the apps which sells Parker pens. It may be Amazon, first वो pop-up होता है. It may be Flipkart. So it may be your, for example, if you are having Instagram के reels में advertisement Parker pen का आ जाता है ना? How it knows? How the other app knows? So you are using just your Google search history, right? How are the other apps knowing it?
SEO.
But how do the SEO catches? You are not entering in Amazon. If you have entered in Amazon, so if it is giving you the pop-up notifications, it's fine. But Google का क्या है? Google और Amazon का link क्या है?
Data mining.
Not data mining, it's called as penetration testing. Right? कुछ है ना? So there are interlinks in the hidden ways. So जिधर हम लोग का जब Google का है ना, Google का ऐप नोटिफिकेशंस रहता है, So the way it reads or the way it gives access to the other applications within the app, you need to always turn them off. You need to always turn them off करते जाना पड़ेगा. And क्या होता है कि हम लोग को पता नहीं है कि कितना ऑफ करना है करके. कितने भी ऑफ करने दो, so there would be some other aspect which we are not aware of, उधर से रीड कर लेता है. So एक बार US judicial system है ना, so in US judicial system, so Google CEO Mr. Sundar Pichai, right? Sundar है ना? So the thing is, he was called, and there was a discussion between the court judge, and उधर US में जज रहता है और कुछ लोग भी बैठता है jury. So everyone was questioning him simple stuff, saying that can your Google phone, Android phone, read that I moved from this place to that place? The question was simple. The question was, do your phone reads that, let's say, I moved from this particular chakra hall to temple? Do it knows? It's a simple yes or no, right? Whether it knows or whether it don't know, whether Google knows or not know. So that's the question. So whether Google knows if I move, if I'm carrying the Android phone, will it know that whether I have moved from this particular place from A location to B location? He never gave a straight answer. So he stated everything what we do it for the security, we do it for the betterment, we do it for giving better service to our customers, right? But he never gave a plain answer saying yes or no. And the judge, he asked him direct question saying that please give me yes or no. He directly asked, please give me yes or no. Even then he didn't give the answer saying yes or no. He said that what we do it for the providing better service to our customers. Now, why do they track? Why do they keep all this kind of data? Is it only for the betterment of the customers? I would like to understand your opinion. So, for example, if you are moving from one place to another, right? Why do Google keep the track? Yeah.
I have read or heard somewhere. They track about our wants and behaviors.
Yeah. So, yeah.
They track us so that they can advertise our data to relevant
Right.
parties.
And
That's how they earn.
Yogi, कुछ है? So, the thing is, it's to exploit. It's to exploit and to understand the behavioral patterns. The main agenda is to understand the behavioral patterns. So, based on the behavioral patterns, then they know what product will succeed, what product or what is the thought process of the current अभी generations हमेशा चेंज होता है, Gen Z, Gen Alpha जो भी है, so what is the current mood? So उसके हिसाब से they do couple of things. One, they know where it is leading to, based on which they can purchase that small shark to themselves, right? Or if it is related to more of food or any stuff, they would say that, for example, they have seen, okay, आजकल लोग हरे कृष्ण मंदिर बहुत ज़्यादा जा रहा है, let me advertise about it. तो हरे कृष्ण मंदिर के पास आता है, we will be just giving you more advertising and all that stuff. Okay, मेरे को सिर्फ इतना क्लिक्स पे इतना रुपया लगेगा, right? So this is the way they exploit. या फिर कोई किसी को सबवे पसंद है या फिर हमेशा वो सबवे खाते रहता है. Now he is going in a different route and time आ रहा है. So they will get a pop-up. Your favorite restaurant of Subway is in this location. Please pay a visit. It's lunch time. Right? तो ऐसा पॉपअप आता है जो उसकी वजह से वो टाइम पे आपको सबवे में सब खाने का मन नहीं लगता है. बट एज ऑन व्हेन यू सी दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉपअप, हाँ ठीक है, लेट मी जस्ट गो. सो दे हैव ओपन हियर, लेट मी जस्ट गो एंड हैव अ बाइट. You know, so it's exploitation. It's of being watched. इतना ही है क्या? ना. What is going on? Let's go much ahead. इंडिया में क्या चल रहा है देखिए. ये phones का हो गया था. Where we are getting watched and we are getting tracked. So, and now, people, let's say Ashay Prabhu had driven all the way from Pune to Mumbai. He took some route and he came on one route which was suggested. Now, when you are just traveling in a road to reach to your destination, you can go in multiple ways, right? You can divert in multiple ways. It's not that you will just always follow the standard route of Google. जब standard route of Google कब follow कर रहे हैं हम लोग? When we are used to it. इससे पहले जब Uber नया आया था, Uber पता है ना, Uber and Ola नया आया था, they used to have the application of Google Maps. कितने लोग को पता है? Uber का ऐप ओपन किया तो Google Map का दिखाता है, right? So, but auto drivers are much clever than the Google Maps, right? They know better routes. So Google Map does not know, or its algorithm doesn't always showcase you the best route. So जब auto drivers जो Uber का जो map दिखाता था ना, apart from that, if they have used to take a different route, and the number of trips where number of different auto drivers or number of the same auto driver taking a different route to reach the same destination, so they understand that this route is better than the route which they are showing, and from the next time they shift and showcase the new route which is currently followed by the auto drivers. So by which they are making their maps better. It's up to your track. And now coming up, so when they are doing it, they are reading your behavioral pattern. So let's say the day before, my boss is showing something. My boss normally starts from, he just goes on to cycling at 6:30 or 7:30 in the morning. So daily he gets a notification for cycling time. So daily we leave office together, based on our mood, but mostly we leave at 5:30, 5:45 in the evening. So yesterday he was showing me that his Android phone is saying it's 5:45. So we were thinking that how come it knows that we are leaving at 5:45? Because literally we have stopped all the notifications. But it still read and it gave us a notification that it's 5:45 for us to kickstart. So that is something which is getting watched. Now, जब जैसा अभी हम लोग बोल रहा था, for example कोई एक रूट पे जा रहा है. So every week, let's say, Vicky is traveling from Mumbai to Kanpur. Right? He's traveling from Mumbai to Kanpur on the road. Now, I am a good thief who is having access to his FASTag data and everything with the power of hacking. Hacking का बंदा किधर है? नहीं आया. Right? So who is having the power to hack and see which route he is going with the help of the FASTag. FASTag में हम आप लोग को read होता है ना? So when you are just moving, FASTag reads the data that you have passed this particular location. So it gives you the pattern. So every week, so from this time to this time, you go to office. Yeah, every week you go from here to from this village to this village. So now I am aware that Vicky is traveling from every week he goes from Mumbai to Kanpur on, let's say, every second Sunday. I came to know that. Now I'm a thief. Is it good time for me to rob him? His house? कोई रहता है क्या? I can just go and rob, right? So it's a dangerous of having the track to a domain where it is not secure. So how they make people believe it is data is secure. So now if you just have a look, how many of you use WhatsApp? Everyone, very good. A couple of years back, there was a big noise stating that WhatsApp is not secure and everyone switched to Signal. Most of them. Have you heard of an app called a Signal? Right. So most of the common workforce and everyone switched to Signal, saying that WhatsApp is not safe because the data can be leaked at any point of time. And then later on, WhatsApp came with an option called as end-to-end encryption. फिर बाद में आपको अगर देखा है तो आपको आया था एंड टू एंड एनक्रिप्शन करके. तो इसका मतलब उससे पहले पुराना डाटा इट्स सेव एंड इवन WhatsApp knows what all nonsense we do in a WhatsApp. Right? So now ये जो हो गया, so the data is secured and saved. The data is secured and safe, but it cannot be retrieved because now it is an end-to-end encrypted. But a hacker can take it even at this point of time, but not available to the public domain. So what's the safety which we are having if we are getting watched at every point of time? So now, how it is getting more advanced with the keeping track of humans. So the next aspect which is coming in India is every vehicle will be with GPS which gets recorded on how vehicle is moving. They say that we want to remove the FASTag option. So GPS रहता है, आपका GPS जब जाता है, immediately it will get detected. There is no FASTag and nothing. If you are moving in that particular way, so people will think that yeah, this is very good and all that stuff and let's shift, right? Because it is us. There is no need to stop even at the toll gates. You can just move. But which also gives them the access to record every moment of us. China में it's far advanced. जो आज मैं सुबह बोल रहा था. So let's say we do cross roads, right? So road cross should be done at crosswalks. But we do cross anywhere. We will just show, रुको भैया, रुको, है ना? And we cross anywhere. So in China, if someone crosses like that, जो CCTV cameras है ना, CCTV cameras है, it just clicks a note, photo directly comes into your WhatsApp, WeChat. So in China it is WeChat. WeChat में आपको एक मैसेज आ जाता है that you have crossed here. आपका बैंक अकाउंट से 200 yuan ऑटोमेटिकली डिडक्ट हो जाता है. फाइन. आपको पे करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. चालान का सिस्टम ही नहीं है. डायरेक्टली अकाउंट से उतना ही नहीं है. अगर कोई भी कुछ ज्यादा कर रहा है तो so for example let's say a person like me who doesn't follow rules, for example I am always crossing the roads, तो 4-5 बार ऐसा कर दिया तो फिर मेरे को 4-5 बार पैसा कट लिया, right? But if 5th time या 4th time जो भी है, what it does is मेरे WeChat में let's say there are 100 contacts of people, right? सब लोग को मैसेज जाता है कि आपका दोस्त है ना, he does not follow rules. Not kidding. And at the same point of time now you are living in a society. उस सोसाइटी में भी सबको जाता है. It's more embarrassing, right? Is it embarrassing? So this is the kind of stuff where so अद्भुत प्रभु ने मेरे को एक बार बोला था, यूरोप में there was a civil riot which happened because in Europe Union they have planned to induce chips in humans to track their movements. So what they have planned? To induce chips. Why? Only when a person is controlled, they can rule them. जैसे हिरण्यकशिपु है, he controlled everyone. So to rule, Ravan है, he controlled to rule, right? So to rule, either a person should be fool or he should be controlled by them. है ना? Either they should be fool or be controlled by them. Now, so if every moment of you is tracked, do you feel secured? And that's what happened. Now let's go into the other aspect. But okay, this is in modern world where we are not comfortable being tracked. But as a soul, always in the previous class, in the previous session, Yogi was talking about karma, vikarma and akarma. Right? Who tracks karma, vikarma and akarma? There needs to be someone who tracks it, right? Who keeps the records? Who do keep the records of our actions? Anyone?
Chitragupta.
Chitragupta. Is he directly keeping the actions?
The sun and the moon.
The sun and the moon and Prakriti and Vayu and Yamaraj and अभी तक मेरे को मेन आंसर नहीं आया था. The super soul. Super soul is a witness bird, but it does not keep the record. It's not having the record. It does not keep the record of what we do. He is a witness soul. जैसे मुंडकोपनिषद में बोला था, it stated, मुंडकोपनिषद 3rd chapter में. So on a tree there is a nest. There are two birds. One which is eating fruit and the other one which is just watching. In the same way, so if the body of a human is considered to be a tree, the nest is the heart, where there are two birds. One is called as soul, Jiva, and the second one is the Paramatma. Jiva does the action, and based upon its action, it may be enjoying it, or it may be have sufferings, or it may suffer from it. Right? Super soul है ना, सिर्फ watch करता है. So let's say this is the bird, Jiva. Are you seeing this? Let's say my hand is Jiva. Super soul है ना, ऐसा पीछे रहता है. किधर रहता है? उसके पीछे रहता है, watch करके रहता है. जैसा हम लोग कभी भी मस्ती में दोस्त आगे बात कर रहा है तो पीछे से देखते रहता है ना, कभी उल्टा पलट के देखता है नहीं करके देखते रहता है या नहीं, मजाक में कभी किया, राइट? ऐसा ये सुपर सोल है ना, परमात्मा इज ए फ्रेंड. ही इज जस्ट स्टैंडिंग बिसाइड अस टू सी वेदर वी विल टर्न बैक एंड सी हिम. The moment we turn back and see him, we get attracted to him, and then we are completely devoted and surrendered, and we go back to God. But वो पलट के देख रहा है या नहीं देख रहा है? अभी सब लोग, कोई तो जा रहा है तो वो बोलता है पलट 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 पलट. नहीं, अभी हम लोग को पलटना है. तो जो सुपर सोल है ना अंदर, वो बोल रहा है बाबा पलट पलट पलट. हम लोग क्या सुन रहा है? हम लोग आगे देख रहा है, कोई दूसरे जा रहा है तो पलटना पलटना पलटना, है ना? That's the modern world, right? So the thing is, we need to see जो अंदर है ना सुपर सोल का, वो देखना. He witnesses every action what we do, right? He witnesses. He stands beside us as a friend, so that we can just turn and look around him. कभी कभी आवाज भी देता है, बट हम लोग आवाज सुनने के लिए उतना अटेंटिव नहीं रहता है. we will not be attentive to listen to that particular voice. Because we have not raised ourselves to that particular consciousness level. Right? And coming back, who keeps a note of it? एक बार है ना, जब सृष्टि हो गया था, क्रिएशन हो गया, सो सब पॉपुलेशन बढ़ते गया था, तो फिर पॉपुलेशन इज इंक्रीजिंग करके फिर बाद में यार population is increasing, there needs to be some action. Then Brahma had mentioned Dharma to take care of, which is Yamaraj, to take care of all the lives based upon their karmas. But there are 84 lakh species, right? And across the universe, there are n number of lives, n number of jivas. So Brahma thought that, okay, I can do it. Yamaraj thought that I can do it at the very first shot. Then he got confused. What's happening and everything. Right? How can I keep the record of each and every person? I need to have system in place. I need to have some helper who helps me out. Then he goes to Brahma. So this is the birth of Chitragupta, which I am saying, narrating to you right now. And in every different day of Brahma, Chitragupta is born in different ways. Let me make you clear first of all. So I'm just giving you one pastime of how he was born. Right? So he went to Brahma and he requested Brahma, boss, this is being a very difficult task. Right? It seems I may do mistakes. Because Yamaraj is a Samavarti. So you know the meaning of Samavarti, right? Yogi? Samavarti is someone who is not partial to anyone. He just goes directly by the rules. He just directly goes by the rules. सही है तो सही है, गलत है तो गलत है, अपना है पराया है ऐसा नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उनका खुद का बेटा है, यमराज का खुद का बेटा है, खुद का बेटी है, even them, if they have committed some mistake, he will punish them. He would not say that he is my son, let me spare him. As of the politicians, right, or some big shots, if the son does a mistake, no, let me save my son. Yamaraj doesn't do such kind of stuff. For him, everyone are equal. He treats everyone equal. So he don't want to commit any mistake. He reaches out to Brahmadev and says that, boss, this is being a huge task on my head. Please help me out on this. Then Brahma does tapasya for 11,000 years. कितने साल? 11,000 years. And then when he opens his eyes, from his body comes a person having a sword at his waist and a pen and palm leaves. And he is called as Chitragupta. He is called as Chitragupta. Now, he was given to Yamaraj to help him out. So, सब कुछ ठीक करने के लिए. But now, even it would be a difficult task for Chitragupta, right? For managing these many members. Then Chitragupta has his army. They are called as Shravanas. क्या है? Shravanas. So, they live across the universe, in every planet, even in this room, in the subtle forms. They see everything which we do, all our actions. They are the people, Shravanas or the Jivas, which can read our minds and thought process. For example, मैं सबको किसी को आके अच्छे से हक कर लेता है एक पॉलिटिशियन, बट मन में सोचता है कि यार ये हार गया तो मैं जीतता हूँ, ये हार ना जाइए, मुझे सीट मिलना चाहिए, राइट? सो दे कैन इवन रीड मन की बातें ना, they are more dangerous than the Google and all that stuff. Google cannot read the man ki baat as of now, unless Tesla's वो कौन सा chip है? Neuralink. Right? Till that comes into picture, it can read your mind thoughts and all that stuff, which is their aspiration to read the mind thoughts. But now ये लोग है ना अपना मन की बात जो भी है, the Shravanas can read this particular aspect. Only Shravanas ही नहीं, उन लोगों का पत्नी लोग है ना, wives, they are called as Shravanis. Shravanis and Shravanas, their aspect is to read every action, note down every action, what creature does, what his thought process is. इसलिए हम लोग हमेशा बोलते हैं ना, so karma, when you get a reaction, मन से जो करता है वो मन के लिए आपको रिएक्शन मिलता है. So action, you will get a reaction to your body if you are performing with action. जैसे जिस प्रकार से करता है उस प्रकार से आता है करके बोलते रहता है ना. So all this are recorded by these Shravanas and Shravanis, and these Jivas, Shravanas and Shravanis, they go every day and report to Chitragupta, and Chitragupta accounts everything. So at the point of time when the soul leaves the body, right? First जो यमराज का गेट है, धर्मध्वज रहता है, he directs everyone to Chitragupta, and there based upon the karma, vikarma and akarma, कितना ये लोग ने किया है, कितना उन लोग को आना है, कितना उन लोग को रिएक्शन नहीं है. So बैलेंस रहता है शीट. So people हमेशा कुछ बोलता है कि the thing is, okay, you have done this particular bad deed, do this good deed, it will be leveled up. There is no leveling up. There is no leveling up. So 2 minus 2 0 नहीं होता है इधर. 2 एक अलग है, minus 2 एक अलग है. 2 minus 2 करके 0 नहीं करता है. चित्रगुप्ता का कैलकुलेशन ऐसा नहीं रहता है. You just experience your 2, you just experience your minus 2. But 2 minus 2 नहीं होता है. Are you getting it? So if you have done 100 pious deeds, you will enjoy the merit of 100 pious deeds. If you have done 30 impious deeds, you will suffer for those 30 impious deeds. 100 minus 30 करके ठीक है मेरे को सीधा 70 pious deeds दे दो करके ऐसा नहीं चलता है. It's not the calculation, right? So क्योंकि इससे पहले क्लास में कोई तो पूछा था. So even if a person is born in a rich family, he may not be a good one. He may be suffering, right? He may be doing all the kind of nonsense. It's because of this 100 is different and 30 is different. For 100, he will have what he needs to enjoy. But for 30, he needs to suffer what he wants, what he is mentioned to suffer. So, ऐसा सब कुछ record करते रहता है and all that stuff, and people get punished. Now, so मेरा जैसा बहुत शिष्य है, मतलब मेरे से अच्छा शिष्य है व्यास जी को. You know Vyasa, right? So the current, what is the name of the current Vyas ji? Krishna Dvaipayana Vyas, right? And who is going to be the next Vyasa?
Agastya Muni.
Agastya Muni. And who is going to be the next Vyasa post Agastya Muni? It's Ashwatthama, right? So Vyasa is a post. So जैसा ऐसा ये जो है सब लोगों ने पूछा है यार अभी हम लोग हैं humans, right? We always do some mistake. It's not that we can take the name of Hari all the time. In our thoughts, it would be difficult for us to get attracted and always be in the thought process of Hari till a certain point of time. Right or wrong? So when we breathe, there are many microbacteria and microorganisms which are getting dead. So we are killing a lot. We would be suffering for it. But can we escape it? So which means that we need to continuously chant the name of Krishna all the time, Hari. So how to escape? How to escape these particular aspects? So the first thing is one needs to fall under the shelter of a guru. किसको लेना है? गुरु का शरण लेना है. And he is the one who can ensure that we do not suffer from these and takes us back to Godhead. That's point one. कोई भी गुरु सेवा करता है या वैष्णव सेवा करता है, for them जो वैष्णव सेवा करता है, for them, so they would not be given the same impact, because when you do a seva for Vaishnavas, there is a routine on how you need to live your daily life. For example, स्नान करने से पहले, so there is a mantra called as Gange Yamuna Chaiva Godavari Saraswati. So when you are invoking all the holy rivers in the bucket of water which you are bathing with, right? So you are clearing all your sins. Are you getting it? You are clearing all your sins. And the second thing which was mentioned is, every day when you wake up, you need to take the name of Narayana. Every day when you wake up, you need to take the name of Narayana. And every day before you go to sleep, again you need to take the name of Narayana. And when a person takes the name of Narayana, the moment when he just opens his eyes and the moment when he closes his eyes, so दिन में जितने भी होता है ना, everything gets nullified. This is a vardhan, a secret vardhan, right? Which is now no more a secret. Right? And at the same point of time, अभी नींद में नारायण करके हम लोग सो गया था. नींद में भी कभी कभी सपने आता है, it may be good, it may be bad or any stuff. But सोने से पहले नारायण करके लिया था ना, उसके वजह से नींद में सपने आया तो भी हम लोग अफेक्ट नहीं होता है. We will not get affected to that particular bad karma. So कोई भी करना है तो simple stuff है. They need to start the day with Narayana and they need to end the day with Narayana. But in between, again I am saying, in between, they cannot just do this, I am taking the name of Narayana, let me kill something in the morning, let me do some nonsensical activity and take the name of Narayana at the end of the day. That doesn't work. Right? And when a person takes the name of Narayana, right, they need to understand, they need to enjoy the ruchi, which comes over a period of time. Like for example, when we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, right now our chanting may be something which is called as a mechanical process. So, do you know what do you mean by ruchi? And the thing is, only by chanting, when you enjoy the ruchi, you get the strength to the body by chanting. There is no requirement of food. There is no requirement of water. Are we feeling in that way? अगर ऐसा है तो अभी प्रसाद नहीं चाहिए किसी को, है ना? That's not the case scenario, right? Is it the case scenario? So one needs to understand that they cannot just do some nonsensical activity on the basis of the power of holy name. For that one needs to just elevate their consciousness, clean the dirt within the heart. Clean the dirt within the hearts. Yes, Prabhuji. Krishna, Yogi, you raise your hand.
पहले उसके लिए when you said right कि you take the name of Narayana after you wake up and before you sleep.
Yeah.
उसके लिए जो हमने वो dream वाला state का उस बात किया था, can you commit sinful activity in the dream?
So yeah, the thing is because now sinful act, now कोई भी सो गया, अभी सुबह है ना, so you had a very bad day at office, let's say. You had a very bad day at office. अभी मन में हर रोज बॉस है ना, बहुत टॉर्चर कर रहा है, बहुत टॉर्चर कर रहा है. उनको गाली देने का मन लग रहा है बट नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ बिकॉज ही इज माई बॉस, ऐसा लग रहा है. सोच तो फिर when there is a lot which gets what to say, क्या बोलता है रे कृष्णा, compressed type, right? When the thoughts, everything is compressed and hidden, it bursts in dreams where you feel that you are the boss and you are torturing your boss. Are you getting it? Or sometimes, mostly in the youth, they dream of some girl, which is even a sinful activity, right? Are you getting it? And so let's say in the dream, you feel that you are just torturing someone or you are cursing bad words to someone. All these stuff even are considered as sins. All these stuff are even considered as sins. Even in dreams. Even in dreams. That's the reason. सोने से पहले हमेशा भगवान का स्मरण करके सोना. And this used to be the ancient practice. For example, if you just ask my time of my grandparents, right? So daily सुबह उठने से पहले, I was born in a Shaivite family, let me tell you. So there are few words what they need to read. For example, जो उठने से पहले आके ना, so they just see the palm like this, because they say that Lakshmi Devi is here, and they see and they read Karkotaka, Nala, Damayanti, ऐसा नाम लेता है, because they were given some boons, जपट, and नारायण का नाम लेता है. First of ऐसे लेके ओम नमो नारायण है, and they just tick off these names, and before they sleep they recite. They used to recite either जब सोने से पहले शाम का टाइम पे it used to be, it is something which रात का टाइम is very much what to say, इष्ट, liking or lovable time for Shiva, right? So they used to do लिंगाष्टकम या अष्टकम, ये सब कुछ पढ़ के सो जाता था. So that used to be the ancient way. And Vaishnavas जो है, they used to recite Narasimha Stotras, and then they used to go to bed, because when they recite Narasimha Stotras, they would not be just getting any bad dreams and all that stuff. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So this is the way it used to be. नींद में भी जो भी सपने में जो आता है, even they are considered. We may think that वही है ना, problem ये होता है कि there are many things. For example, let's say हम लोग बहुत टाइम पे ना खड़े रह के खाना खाता है, पता है ना? So we go for a buffet and we stand and we eat. We stand and we eat. So when a person who always likes to stand and eat, they will be born as an animal in the next life. As per Shastra, they will be born as an animal. This is something which we do not know. So our lack of knowledge doesn't mean that it doesn't happen. It happens. So at the end of the day, now to just look, we cannot just control on being watched by the material world. It is based upon the politicians where we can fight and all that stuff and everything. But when someone is witnessing us back as a Paramatma, हम लोग को सिर्फ पलट के देखना है उनके तरफ. उनके तरफ हम लोग को सिर्फ पलट के देखना है, और उसको पलट के देखने के लिए पहले उनका आवाज सुनना पड़ेगा. So if someone is calling you, you should be having the hearing energy to hear who is calling you, right? So with a certain frequency, for example, इधर से मैंने कहा है कि he needs to hear it, right or wrong? So if he can't hear it, then is it my problem? No, right? You need to be able to catch that particular frequency. So Paramatma always just say that palat, 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 palat. यार बुद्धू मेरे तरफ देख, है ना? And to Now, if there is a lot of, for example, मैंने ऐसे बोला था, now he is outside the room. Can he hear it? So हमारा जो अंदर मलिन जो है, so these are the walls which is blocking the voice of Paramatma to the Jiva. तो फिर ये ब्लॉक कैसे निकालता है? It's by cleaning ourselves. And how do we clean? By chanting and by serving the devotees and by cleaning the temple. The best way to clean ourselves fast is only service. Is only service, nothing else. And I wish everyone cleans faster और जल्दी पलट के देखेगा, ठीक है? Because we are all feminine ना, in one sense, in the absolute sense we are feminine in nature. तो कृष्णा है ना, जैसा आप लोग पलट करने के लिए बोलता है, वो भी हमारे लिए पलट करने के लिए बोल रहा है. पलट के देखेंगे या नहीं देखेंगे हमारे ऊपर है. कितने लोग पलट के देखेगा? पक्का पलट के देखेगा, राइट? हरे कृष्ण. Any questions? Yep.
So I have a question regarding the karmic quota. So
Hmm.
whatever maybe our past life good deeds or bad deeds, some will be transferred over here, and the rest of the things are what we do currently in this life.
No, the thing is, the karma acts in such a way. For example, you have a quota of 100 good points and 50 bad points, let's say. Now in this life, you will not be given allocated all the 100 good points or the 50 bad points. You will be given 20 good points and 50 bad points, or 20 good points and 30 bad points. You will not be given the entire quota in the same life to just enjoy. So, ये life में, because there is a lot of permutations and combinations which takes place. For example, yourself coming to the temple, meeting someone, and how your free will chooses whether you want to sit or whether you want to leave. That is up to you, right? So based on this, it will be given only a certain quota. बाकी कोटा है ना, जैसे एकादशी व्रत किया, just smash it off. यमुना नदी में नहा लो. यमुना नदी में नहाए तो क्या होता है? पाप पुण्य दोनों चले जाता है. Both will vanish. तभी हम लोग को हरे कृष्णा होता है ना, या फिर नहीं हो सकता है. Back to God, right? So it's not that you will be given allocated everything. Is it clear? Right, Krishna. Any other? Yeah, please.
I wanted to ask you regarding, as you said, the way of life is service, giving service to people.
Giving service to Vaishnavas. There is a Vaishnavas, मतलब devotees basically.
To devotees.
Yeah. The reason is, now let's say you have helped a beggar on the road.
Okay.
So beggar is struggling, you have given him 10 bucks, right? So from 10 people he collected somewhere around 100 bucks. He just went to a wine shop, right? And he had some nice alcohol for those 100 bucks. And post having that alcohol, he went to his home and he smashed his wife. Let's think so.
Yeah. Definitely.
Now, because in that 100 bucks, what's your share?
10%.
10%. And because of your 10%, you will get that particular 10% of sin.
Okay.
Are you getting it? It's not directly proportional. It's not that directly you have done. But it's your money due to which a wrong act was done, so it would get punished.
But then how does it define with the whole idea about कि you're supposed to do the karma,
Hmm.
you're not supposed to understand.
So that's the reason, है ना? कर्म कर. For
Yeah.
example, but just don't give your results to someone who is not eligible of having that particular result, right? Give your results to Krishna. Let's say आप कमाया था,
Hmm.
कमा के you have earned somewhere around 10 crore of rupees.
Yeah.
उसमें 1 करोड़ एक साइंटिस्ट को दिया था. बाद में पता चला कि वो साइंटिस्ट टैबलेट्स लेकर गया.
Okay, so I still understand what you're trying to say, but I don't understand then why we need to be on the pessimist side that okay, whatever.
Okay, now it's not only the pessimist, it's also, let me say, in the optimist side. Let's say आपने 1 करोड़ दिया था, 1 करोड़ से वो उसने 1 करोड़ से 1 लाख पीपल को खाना खिलाया था, 1 लाख पीपल को खाना खिलाया था ना, आपने पैसा दिया था,
Yeah.
so you gave them something. So when you gave them something, there is a binding happening between you two.
Yeah.
You are a giver and he is a taker. So unless the binding is nullified, you are not free from the material world. आपने 1 रुपया दिया है तो फिर से वो 1 रुपया लेना है.
There has to be a balance.
That needs to be balanced, 0. So 5 minutes up, Shobhya. Have you heard of चिंतामणि?
Yes.
कितने लोग ने चिंतामणि के बारे में सुना है? वाह, very good. Almost, right? जो बिल्वमंगल ठाकुर, suppose Chintamani stating to Bilvamangal Thakur, and Bilvamangal Thakur became an exalted devotee. Everyone are aware of Bilvamangal Thakur's story, right? Do anyone know what happened to Chintamani? Chintamani, so she thought that, okay, how come I gave this particular knowledge that Bilvamangal Thakur needs to focus on Krishna, and why I have not followed this? So she left doing her prostitution, and she left that particular city, and she traveled across to a different village. There she had seen a sannyasi who is very much exalted, who is very much pious and everything. So she went there, she took Diksha from that particular sannyasi. Sannyasi gave her Diksha, right, and blessed her and gave the mantra to jap. But जो संन्यास का जो सब लोग उधर रहता है ना, मतलब उनका assistants and everything, but sannyasi stated that you are a Mataji, a girl. You cannot live in the same premises. You live in a different premise, which is little far. But you can come to the lectures, सुन सकते हैं, सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, but you cannot stay at the same location. But Chintamani till that point of time she had done an activity of prostitution, right? That's the vasana of her previous works what she had done. तो फिर उनको ऐसा लगा कि you are a sannyasi, you should not care between male and female. But why are you treating it as different करके उनको मन में लगा. But she didn't express. So she went. But ऐसा उनको लगा कि he insulted me. He didn't allow me to stay in the same place. But she is good in her devotion and she used to do and everything. So there is a cobbler. Cobbler पता है ना? Okay. So they came to Chintamani because Chintamani used to live near their village. They came to Chintamani and they stated because she was doing her devotion and other stuff. यार हम लोग को बहुत टाइम से बच्चे लोग नहीं था. मुझे एक अच्छा बच्चा चाहिए. कोई तो मदद करो. तो फिर चिंतामणि ने कहा, you know that sannyasi, right? हाँ वो महाप्रभु है. So I know him. So now coming season is summer. The coming season is summer. Daily you keep chapels, a new chapels on the way where he is coming. वो सन्यासी चप्पल नहीं पहनता था, वो जाके नहा के आ जाता था. So every day वो चप्पल पहनता है, चप्पल उधर रखता है, बट सन्यासी कभी देखता नहीं था, नहा के वापस चले जाता था. So एक दिन it was so hot. तो फिर सन्यासी का है ना जो पेट बर्न होना and all stuff boils आ गया था. So he was forced to wear, किधर भी कुछ मिलता है क्या करके देखा है तो उधर चप्पल था, नया चप्पल. So he started shouting, ये चप्पल किसका है, चप्पल किसका है, चप्पल किसका है करके. No one answered. This cobbler was seeing from the bush. And later वो चप्पल पहन के, नया चप्पल लेकर के पहन के गया था, and he immediately just asked his disciples to go to the village and find out whose chappals it is, so that we need